with another Arckit video. Today we'll be building a sample model with Arckit Cityscape. As always, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave it down in the comments section below, or feel free to email me. My information will be in the description. Also, if you feel that I am moving too fast, feel free to stop the video to catch up. Alright, now that the formalities are out of the way, let's get started. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see more of the work area. Here we have our floor plates. This is our base that we'll build the city on. Here we have our roof toppers. Here we have our standard floor plates. Here we have clear floor plates, and here are our tiles for landscaping and other roofing features. So I have the contents of the kit spread out around me, and let's begin. So today we'll be starting off with an intermediate build. So we'll use all 4 of our 4x4 floor plates. That was a tongue twister right there. So what I'm thinking is that we'll have 2 intersections in this model. So let's go ahead and set up the roads for those. So I'm going to place a purple tile right here, a purple tile right here, and I'm going to keep going all the way down to the bottom. Alright, and let's have another road over here, so almost making a couple of city blocks. We'll have that go all the way down to the bottom also. So I'm thinking we'll have our intersection right here, so two spaces in. So let's go ahead and use our purple tiles. Go and show that also. So we'll go all the way across. So now we have a pretty good city grid for us to work off of. So let's go ahead and get a 3 pieces, 3-piece solid, and place that like so. I've placed them vertically in order to connect these floor plates together, and to connect them this way, let's go ahead and take a 2-piece and place it at the bottom. So we have a building that is 2x4. And let's go ahead and also do that for the top here. We'll make a square building. So what we have is, make sure you press them down so they're all one piece. And what you have is this. Alright? Awesome. So far we have 2 buildings. Let's go ahead and add a L-shaped building right here in this corner. So I'm going to place a 2-piece there and a 1-piece towards me. Alright. Let's go ahead and mimic that on the other side. So I'm going to place a 2-piece here, and then a 1-piece right here, and we'll have double courtyards facing the street. So we'll use 2 patches of green tiles to denote the courtyard. Alright, maybe let's get some symmetry going on. Let's go ahead and repeat this side on this side. So I'm going to have another 2-piece tile right here, 1-piece, and then do it again. 2-piece tile, 1-piece. And let's go ahead and place those courtyard pieces like before. So at the end you should get something like this. Feel free to use this as inspiration to move forward with your own ideas. You don't have to copy me exactly, but if you have a kit, feel free to follow along. Next, let's give this bottom area some attention. So I'm going to flip it around facing you, and let's have a let's make another road on either side, fill up some space. So I'm going to place 2 purple tiles right here, and then 2 purple tiles on this side. Alright, and let's go ahead and make a square building. right here. So I'm going to use a 2-piece solid and another 2-piece solid right there. For this corner, what I'm thinking is we could have a L building but facing the other direction. So we'll leave this corner piece as the courtyard there. And then this, we can have a connecting street to go across. So I'll place 2 more purple tiles. So in the end, our city plan looks like this. Not too bad. Let's see where we can go from here. All right, let's have this building be a focal point. So let's go ahead and place a 2-piece clear right here in the middle. And let's go ahead and place a 3-piece clear and a 3-piece clear next to it. So we basically covered that whole building. So we're building this one up 2 stories high. All right, let's go ahead and take 2 of the 4 pieces and lay it on top to get the 3rd story. All right, that's looking good. Let's go ahead and place this right here. So 2-piece clear, 2-piece solid, and let's go place another 2-piece clear next to it and 2-piece solid. All right. Now let's go ahead and place a 1-piece clear, 1-piece solid, and then a 1-piece clear and 1-piece solid. So we're building a little bit of a tower right there. All right. So let's work on these buildings on the exterior now. Let's go ahead and place a 1-piece or 2-piece clear, a 2-piece solid, a 2-piece clear, and 2-piece solid. So we're building a little bit of a complex right here. Looks pretty awesome. All right, for these 2, let's go ahead and do the same thing. So 2-piece clear on this side, and 2-piece solid, 2-piece clear, 2-piece solid. All right, make sure everything's pressed down firmly so we don't get any wobble. All right, next, let's do this building on the corner, our square building. Let's get 2-piece clear, another 2-piece clear, and let's build it up 1 more floor. So 2-piece solid on top, and another 2-piece solid on top of that. All right. So pretty much all of these buildings are now at the same height except for this tower. All right, let's go and raise this up. So what I'm thinking is that we'll place a 1-piece clear here, and then directly across from it, we'll place a 1-piece clear. So we're leaving this space open here. So let's go ahead and place another 1-piece solid, another 1-piece solid, another 1-piece clear, another 1-piece clear. And let's go ahead and bridge the gap across. So what I'm thinking is that we'll have another green courtyard. So we'll place that like so. So this is what it looks like from above. And we'll go ahead and form an L shape by bringing this up 1 more section, this one up 1 more section. So far we're 4 stories tall. And let's go ahead and make an elevated like glass balcony area. So we'll have a 2-piece clear and a 1-piece clear to do that. And we'll go and connect that together 1 more story with a 2-piece clear or 2-piece solid on top and another 1-piece solid. So we have this really interesting structure here. I'll lift it up so you can see. Pretty awesome. I wouldn't mind working here myself. All right, so we'll set that back into place. And we'll go ahead and roof this with our blue tiles to finish that building off. Oops. All right, right there. Very nice. All right. Let's go ahead and work on this middle one. So I'm going to turn it a little bit to face you and zoom in just slightly so you're able to see better. So what I'm thinking is that we can have a section of it maybe go over the street. Possibly, I'm not sure. All right, so let's get a 3-piece clear and place that like so. And we'll take another 3-piece clear and place that right next to it. And we'll create a little bit of a terrace. So let's get 2 3-piece solid pieces and place that on top so we get this gradual step up. And what I'm thinking is on the side across from this, so this side right here, we'll go and place 2 of our last 1-piece clears and go and place a 2-piece solid on top of that. And then we have a 1-piece clear and we'll go and place a 1-piece solid on top of that. So we have a pretty nice looking city complex right here with our intersections, like so. All right, I think we're ready to roof this. So let's go ahead and use our roof toppers over here on my left and start adding some definition to some of these buildings. So what I'm thinking is our tower right here is just begging for this piece. So we'll go and top it off like so. And we'll go and take our blue pieces. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's go ahead and say maybe we can have an elevated courtyard up here. I'll pull it back so you guys can see a little bit better. Right there. And we'll do one right across on this building right here. So we got some asymmetry right there. And let's go ahead and roof these buildings flat. Alright, and then for this building right here, we can go ahead and create a piece like that. So get a little roof. And I'm really liking this, so let's go ahead and do that for this one also. That looks really nice. I'm liking that. All right, we might as well try that with this building right here. So let's go ahead and get another roof topper and angle it like so. And what I'm thinking is we'll get the top, still the triangle top, but with a little bit of a steeper angle and place it right next to it to get something like that. Pretty awesome. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this building right here and use these orange pieces. And actually, I like this better. Let's go ahead and use these orange pieces for these L-shaped buildings that we have. So we get like that. All right, and I think we have 2 more. We'll use these pieces right here and do that for this side. So 1 piece right here. And the other piece will go, can you see that? Yeah, right here in this area. All right, I'm really liking this. All right, this building right here, our square building, let's go ahead and get 2 of our steep triangles and place it like so. And right next to it, we'll have these two pieces right here to create that building right there. All right. For this building right here, our tower piece, our tower structure, let's go ahead and take these green rounded pieces and place it across from each other like this, and then we'll connect them with this crisscross piece to get something like that. So let me tilt the model toward you guys so you guys can see some sort of aerial view. So this is what we have so far. All right. Now for this big building right here, let's go ahead and use our last blue piece and tile it right here. And we have this piece right here, so let's go ahead and place that next to this one to create more of a gabled roof on this side. So that looks pretty awesome. And let's go ahead and place, let's replace this piece right here with this. And we'll go ahead and place two of our shallow angled pink pieces like so. And then we'll take two of our green rounded pieces and place it like that. So we have this really cool structure in the middle. All right. This was pretty fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this model. This was pretty fun to build. Hopefully you were able to learn some tips and tricks or other interesting ideas with your Arckit Cityscape. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.